Hi guys, this is the solution for problem B1, wonderful coloring 1. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So this is basically uh, we have to how to solve this problem. Okay, so what is the problem statement? So problem statement is basically there is a long string of uh, lowercase alphabets. Okay, lowercase strings, string consisting lowercase alphabets, and we want to paint it using chalk. Okay, of chalk of two colors, red and green. Okay, so how to paint this? So there is some special rules how we can paint it. So each letter of the string is either painted in exactly one color or isn't painted. Okay, or next is each two letter which are painted in same color are different. So we can't paint two same characters with same color. Okay, that is one. This is the second condition, and the third condition is the number of letters painted in red is equal to the number of letters painted in green. Okay, and now fourth is the number of painted letters color is maximum among all coloring of the string which meets the first three conditions. Okay, so these are the four conditions. The fourth, just read, understand the fourth statement properly. The number of painted letters of this coloring is maximum. Okay, so painted colors, the coloring is maximum. Okay, so for all whichever the three conditions are met, we will choose the one with the maximum number of colors. Okay, that will form the wonderful string. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Now how we can solve it? So first we will take the input the test cases, then these are the test cases. So let's check out KZ, AAA, Codeforces, Archive, Y and E. So let's check the last example. So this one all has X. Okay, so all characters are X, so we can't print more than one character. Okay, one character will be printed red and one character will be printed green. Okay, now next one we have only one character, that is Y, the second last one. So since it is only one character, so we can't print, neither we can print it red nor we can print it green, because the number of printing of green is equal to the number of printing of red. That condition has to be met, so this won't satisfy, so we don't print. Okay, now in archive all are distinct characters, so we can choose any three characters as red and any seven characters are there, so three characters will choose red and three characters will choose green and one we will leave. Okay, that we can do for this. And for Codeforces, so let's check out the Codeforces example. Okay, so let's check out for Codeforces. So Codeforces. Okay, so let's Codeforces. Basically 10 characters are there in Codeforces. Okay, so let's try to understand it. C O D D code F O R C E S. Okay, so now we will what we will do, we will take the count of each character. C is repeated 2 times, O is repeated 2 times, D is repeated only once, E is repeated twice, F is repeated only once, then again O, then again R. Sorry, E is repeated, then R is repeated only once, then S is repeated only once. Okay, so this is the character and its count. Okay, so we can store it in a hash map. Okay, so we'll make a hash map and we'll store the count of each character in the hash map. For C will then we'll get, for C will get 2, for O will get 2, for D will get 1, and for E will get 2, and similarly for all others. Okay, so this we will get the count. Now what we have to do, we have to for all those characters, okay, for all those characters, now we will iterate for key in hash map. Okay, hash map dot keys. For all the keys we will check for key in hash map if hash map key. Hash map key will give us the count. If this is greater than or equal to 2, then what we will do, we will simply solution plus 1 we will do. Okay, initially solution will be 0. So that's all we will do. We will keep on incrementing the solution by 1. Okay, and we will store one more, we will make one more variable, temp as 0. Okay, you will understand what will be the use of temp in just a minute. So now if hash map key equal to 1, then we will store temp plus equal to 1. Okay, elif we can do elif. Now we will simply do sol plus equal to temp divided by 2. Okay, that is the floor of temp by 2. Simply we will do this, and this will give us the solution. And now we can print. So that's it. This will be our solution. So for each character whose count is greater than or equal to 2, we will consider, since it is greater than or equal to 2, so one character we will color red and one character will color green. Okay, and now we can't color other characters. Okay, since there is one constraint now. This constraint is there that each two letters which are painted in same color are different. So we can't paint two similar colors with same color. Okay, two similar letters with same color, we can't do that. So according to the second condition. Okay, and the rest we can leave them unpainted. Okay, we won't paint them. So this is how we can solve this problem. And yeah, this will solve it in the complexity of big O of n, the length of the string, and yeah, this will solve the problem. You can check out my interview series, okay, of Google and Amazon. I have given interview, so you can check out those videos. They are pretty awesome. You will definitely learn from a lot from those videos. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. Thank you. Bye.